Welcome to the quick start guide for the Vantrue N4 Pro S dash cam. The N4 Pro S is a premium triple lens Ultra HD dash cam. As the next generation upgrade to the N4 Pro, it features triple Sony STARVIS 2 image sensors, with the rear camera now waterproof. It captures simultaneous 4K plus 1080p plus 2.5K video at 30 frames per second, delivering comprehensive coverage of the road ahead, inside your vehicle, and the rear. The N4 Pros also features built-in 4G for remote monitoring, enhancing your security both on the road and while parked. It's the perfect companion for road trips and content creators capturing their journeys. Let's dive into how it works. Open the package to find these included accessories. For initial setup. Required for installation. Activate. Attach the GPS mount to your N4 Pro S dash cam. Insert a memory card into the slot. Connect the power cable to the mount's port. Then plug the other end into a stable power source. After powering on the dash cam, proceed with the first time setup. Select your language based on region. Set the corresponding time zone for your location. Press OK to confirm all default settings. The light frequency will automatically switch to the appropriate setting based on the language and region you select. When using the dash cam in a new region, make sure to reset the light frequency based on the local region and time zone. Verification steps. Confirm normal display on the dash cam screen. Camera end, attached to rear camera. Device end, insert into rear port on main unit. Verify split screen display of front and rear views. Press the second button from the left on the bottom of the device to switch between different camera views. Installation and wiring. You have multiple options for where to install the dash cam. Choose the installation position based on local laws and your own preferences. 2 recommended installation methods. Method 1, cigarette lighter power. This power method disables parking mode when the engine after engine shut down. Scan the on-screen QR code for detailed installation steps. Method 2, power supply via a hardwire kit cable. The hardwire kit cable is an optional accessory and must be purchased separately. This wiring method enables parking mode after engine shutdown. Scan QR code for setup guide. Capture screenshot for reference. Personalized settings. Press the rightmost settings button to access record setup, system setup, files. After activation, use default settings unless you have specific needs. Customize based on personal preference or consult support. This guide explains key settings. 1. Resolution. The dashcam's resolution options are listed in descending order from highest to lowest. The N4 Pro S defaults to the highest resolution setting. After configuration, verify the setting in the upper left corner of the display. 2. PlatePix mode. If clear license plate capture is a high priority, first select your image quality setting, then enable PlatePix mode. Its primary function is to focus specifically on license plates, significantly boosting their capturing capabilities. However, when PlatePix mode is activated, the overall image will appear darker. Please select based on your specific usage scenario. 3. Parking mode. To enable this feature, you must first install a hardwiring kit. Parking modes includes 4 modes. Motion detection, collision detection, low bitrate recording, low frame rate recording. 4. Voice control. Select this function in the system setup. Voice content refer to the specific phrases used to operate voice control. You must memorize all exact phrases. The dashcam responds only to precise instructions like, take photo, turn off screen. If the voice command deviates, for example, saying take a picture instead of take photo, the dashcam will not respond. 5. App connections. Scan the QR code to download the corresponding app according to different mobile phone systems. After installing the Vantrue app, enable location services and Bluetooth on your phone. Issue the voice command, turn on Wi-Fi to the dashcam. In your phone's Wi-Fi settings, select the dashcam's network, typically named N4PS_Vantrue or similar. Enter the default Wi-Fi password, 123456778. After successfully connecting to the dashcam's Wi-Fi, tap the Files icon in the Vantrue app. Select the SD card folder. Locate your target file. Then tap Download. Once downloaded, press Sync to transfer to your phone's gallery. View original high-definition files in your mobile gallery after synchronization. Return to the app interface. Tap the settings icon at the top right to configure all dash cam functions. This concludes the Vantrue N4 Pro S Quick Start Guide. For more dash cam resources, contact our official customer support team, support@vantrue.net.